Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about Tesla today because, I know mainstream media has been pushing out the news that Elon has been selling a lot of his Tesla stock in the space. He's now trying to relinquish his responsibility of being the CEO of Twitter. And now possibly that might screw up the stock price in Tesla. Like, a lot of people try to connect news to price, and it doesn't matter. News doesn't move price. It is people. It is algorithm. That is what moves price. So I wanted to show you how I did a price prediction in Tesla all the way back here since December the 7th. Did an update video on the 13th. Still telling you all that the market was weak in Tesla. And here we are today. Okay, we saw that happen. Ultimate TP price was had on the last trading day of last week, Friday, which is around 14%. You guys can see it. Now let's talk about this though, because I really wanted us to see, is the price still weak in Tesla? Because if it is, then we need to continue to anticipate price to go lower. Let's start off on the weekly time frame. Okay, look at this. This is the weekly chart in Tesla. And clearly we are seeing some lower prices. Our attention now for support needs to be seen in these weekly price bars here. Okay, right over here is where we need to see support and buyers next. Okay, so that is where our attention is going to be, because last week definitely was weak in the market in Tesla. That was definitely weakness right there. So let's look at this on the 2-week chart then. Look at that on the 2-week chart in the market in Tesla. This tells us that the overall price action is still trending to the downside. Like, the easiest way for price to move is down right now. It's not up, it's down. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, so right here, let me go ahead and draw this area here for support in Tesla now. Okay, it's going to be around this area, I surmise. Okay, 5 weeks. Look at that. That's even worse. It seems like the further we go out in time, the worse the price bars look. Okay, right there. So I think the market is actually telling us what to expect. They're like, look, if you're trying to be a bull in Tesla stock right now, you might want to hold on to that and play the bear side and look for the price to go down. Here it is on the monthly chart. Look at this on the 3 months. Look at that. It's even terrible on the 3 months chart. I would say in the next 11 days, right here, next 11 days and 10 hours, be careful, because if that 3-month price bar looks the way that it looks right now, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market Tesla run down to $75. Yikes. All right, so now I think we got it. I think we understand that the price action into the market of Tesla is still weak, and we are now going to continue to play some weakness into the market. Now, don't be surprised. We've been in a downturn into the market in Tesla ever since like September. Don't be surprised when initially price goes up, and then they're trying to convince you that the market has hit the bottom, and they're going to try to move market higher to get you all to buy. And then in the end, price is going to continue to go down anyway. So overall, we're down 50% ever since September. The price in Tesla has lost 52% of its value. Now, we knew that because a lot of the other FANG stocks have saw prices down 60-70%, but Tesla wasn't acting that way then. Well, now it's participating. Now it is coming in line with those other stocks that actually saw that massive decline in value. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. So that first price target is going to be here, like $135 in Tesla. My second one is going to be right there around 122. Now check this out. Okay, I'm going to show you something that hasn't happened yet, but usually price action goes back to areas to where there's a void. And I'm going to show you on this daily time frame a couple of gaps in Tesla's price movements. Now, if we see that come to fruition, Tesla has a pretty big way to move to the downside. Okay, so check this out. You see a couple of gaps in the market in Tesla. Do you see it? Now, I'm the first one to show you all this. Nobody's talking about any gaps in Tesla right now. Take a look at this. We have 2 gaps right now in Tesla. And like I told you earlier on the 3-month chart, don't be surprised to see the market run down to like $75. That is exactly where the gap is. $75. Isn't that amazing? So check this out. I'm gonna do this because we just want to see how long it's going to take for Tesla's price to come and fill these gaps. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the arrows here so that you guys can tell that we're paying attention to that gap. Now let's go all the way back to where we're at right now. Okay, so I'm done. I want you all to tell me your thoughts about Tesla. Where do you think price is going to go? To me, I think price has the greatest probability of going down rather than going up. I mean, you guys can even see in pre-market we're up $6. So like I said, already out the gate, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market try to get some more life back into it because every day seemingly looked like price was going down. So yeah, today may be a pretty good day to see the market run up in Tesla. But we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market as long as price trades below 180. Okay. So I am done. Give me your thoughts and tell me where do you think the price in the market in Tesla is going to go in the long term. I'm not talking about in the next 2 days, next 3 days. Give me like in the next 3 weeks to 5 weeks. Where do you think the price is going to go? If I continue to see strength coming to the market in Tesla, don't worry, I'll come in and tell you that I'm looking for the market to run higher. As right now, this is what we're seeing on the charts. All right, definitely pay attention to the earnings, which is due to come out towards the ending of January 2023, because that would definitely probably move market for real. Don't forget my gaps too. All right, so make sure you maintain the profitability. Make sure before you guys go, hit that like button, and also subscribe if you all appreciate the content and the videos that I produce here, because I really want to show you that the game here in the stock market is not hard. It's not confusing. Be very careful of people who tries to get you to learn fundamental analysis, who tries to get you to do some discount cash flow model, who tries to get you all to pay for a monthly subscription. All you need is simply the price chart. That's it. Because everybody else is betting as well, and their bets, once they actually come in and hit that buy button or that sell button, it is recorded. They cannot take it back. They cannot renege and actually go through and say, well, let me get it back, let me try it again. No, once you hit that buy, it's done. Once you hit that sell button, it's done, and it's recorded. This is what the price of the market in Tesla is showing us. So let's see how the market whirls. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.